It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. Oh my gosh, we have a full-on Scooby-Doo mystery on our hands tonight, and I need your help because Bath & Body Works Raspberry Thumbprint Wallflowers smells like moldy, rancid jam cookies. We gotta talk about this. I'm like, what's going on? I actually did plug this in for like a half hour. And I'm like, it's funny because I had it in the hallway and I'm sitting on the floor. Everybody's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm trying to get the aroma going on my wallflower. And I got just the hint of it. And I'm like, no, we are unplugging this one right now. So this year, Bath & Body Works came out with a new candle. This was actually a while ago. I want to say like 3 or 4 weeks ago. In this collection, it's the peppermint sugar cookie, Mary cookie. The third one, what's the third one? Oh, the brown one, the cinnamon swirl, I think. Cinnamon caramel swirl. Anyway, really nice collection. I really love the raspberry thumbprint in the candle. It's wonderful. It smells just like raspberry cookies, little powdered sugar. The scent notes are buttery shortbread, rich raspberry jam, sprinkled with powdered sugar. It's absolutely delightful. I love the packaging. It's funny. It's almost got a little bit of that wild berry jam donut kind of vibe to it, but not quite. I get the raspberry. I really like the buttery note. I like the powdered sugar. I get a distinct powdery sugar note in this one. And when I lit it up, it was great. I loved it. I thought it was a really nice addition to the Bath & Body Works line. So today I go into Bath & Body Works and I'm like, you know what? This was like the one wallflower that I really wanted. I'm like, I just really want to get raspberry thumbprint. And I got a couple of extras because I'm like, oh, okay. And it's funny because I'm looking at the candle for raspberry thumbprint online, and for the most part, it's got good reviews. It's got like 46 5-star reviews. So I think like everyone's agreeing with me that it's good. No one except one person has reviewed the wallflower, and it was kind of like I think it was like a 4-star review. So I get this one home, and I'm like, okay. The scent notes are the same. Buttery shortbread, rich raspberry jam, sprinkled with powdered sugar. It's the same scent notes. Being it's the same scent notes, I'm like, it's gotta smell the same. And it's funny because I'm usually someone who has very distinctive taste. I love the foodie stuff. I love woodsy. I love some florals. The one candle that I really can't do is like mahogany teakwood. And I very rarely like review stuff that I just don't love, because I know a lot of other people love it. So it's like, it's okay. A lot of stuff I just don't like, other people like. It's wonderful that we all have different tastes and stuff. However, this one, I can't imagine anyone is going to like this scent because it literally smells rancid. It's so weird. I'm like, did I get a bad one? Oh, like oh my gosh, I just can't do this. It literally smells like moldy bread mixed with rancid jam that has been sitting outside all night, and like the raccoons have been feasting on it. I mean, it's that bad. Honestly, like in the past year, I don't think I've smelled anything this bad for Bath & Body Works. So I need your help. Am I the only one? Is there something wrong with my smelling tonight? Everything else smelled good. I did Victoria's Secret. I did all those wallflowers. Am I going to do it one more time? Am I going to torture myself? Oh, so bad. I don't know. Maybe it's just something with me that I'm getting the wrong scent notes. But this one is honestly terrible. So feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to get a discussion going on raspberry thumbprint because in theory, it should smell good. It should smell like raspberry jam. It should smell like buttery cookies. It should smell like powdered sugar. It does not. I don't know what's going on with that, but it smells great. We have a full-on Scooby-Doo mystery on our hands here, and it could be me. Maybe it's me. I'm the problem. Anyway, oh my goodness. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for helping me figure out the Scooby-Doo mystery. And I will be back tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Bye bye.